Okay, gasalitan ng Minecraft. Tignan nyo to guys. So, naka-download na ako ng real Minecraft. And then, why my guys? So, third world. Doon muna tayo sa world I will use. Diba? Minecraft. See this Minecraft. Minecraft, okay? Don't kill dolphins, you monster. Okay, that is so what the heck? And now we are on the monster. I don't know why my name is Thanos. Now we're here with a crossbow, and it's it's with my Guys, I have something surprise for you later. I have a balloon right here. I don't need to create my own balloon. Okay. But then, surprise. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. And now my surprise is Thanos. You know why? I have a fork right here, but it's a trident. And my have there. It's not fixed, but okay, it's okay. Now let's go back to first person. Okay. Chat, touch video, and first person. This is me. I am Thanos. I'm Thanos. And then, this means it's a balloon pop challenge. You need to make the balloon fly and pop it. But that is a hard one. I'm gonna try it. Okay, this is gonna be hard. How do I do this? Wait. What the? Really, bro? It's gonna be right here. Delete that ugly. So it fly. Okay, so how do I it? Pag hindi yan lumipad. Never mind, okay? So that, there's a chicken right here. I will it. Okay, so that, what the? By the way, guys, you can now go to cave diver. Diver. So you can just let me know. Can you Ayan, lumipad na. So this is the little hiding spot that you are so liit now. And then you can now come. By the way, I don't know what is this. How did I make this? By the way, guys, wait lang. Alisin mo kaya. Ang haba ng so yummy. So we need the firing. Wait, I didn't realize that there is a maze here. This is the one that is so lakas. Wine charge that you can make the animal to fly away. And then it will get killed. And this one, hey little sheep, SHEEP. Hey! Kill ko na nga lang siya ng Ito yung pinakamalakas kapag pumunta ka ng very taas. Yung kill wait lang. Kapag pumunta ka sa taas, yung kill ay 1 hit lang. Tignan nyo guys. Ito. Don't leave me, bro! Stay there! Ito lang guys. Oh, tignan nyo. Diba? First try. I mean, it's a one hit lang. Dito ay, okay, we are on the ilalim. And no, there is a chicken here. Hey, yummy chicken. There is a creaking egg. Tung, 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 tung. Creaking spawn egg. Who knows this, guys? Hey. Diba? Ang galing natin. So, why is my body so sira here? Bruh. Okay. So, you know, guys. Nan 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 non non. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. And then, I need to do something. I need to pause my record. Okay guys, so I am back. Sorry for annoying. Let's play Minecraft again. Minecraft is better, or I think Roblox is better. Okay, don't burn Roblox and Minecraft. So, woo! What the? Stop touching my ugly thing. It's my avatar. Oh. Okay, so change skin. All skins. Like this. So let's pick my album. And you need to choose the correct that you ano. This one. Oh, yeah, it's correct. Now my Thanos is fixed. Now save Thanos. We are now the new Thanos. We're gonna play something again. Can we play this world? I will you wow di ko alam. Tunggul je jak tunggul je jak. Sutaku silingku. Use hay to breed. Ano breed? Or I mean feed? Nether. Building a portal will allow you to. Now let's show it my character. We're gonna go to the ano. I look so ugly. Bruh. Can we go to settings? Okay. Let's go to video and front. I am here. Oh my gosh. Now my leg is fixed. Now I have a long ano. Wait, I forgot something on my. Okay, I need to fix that. My characters look so broken, okay? I need to fix. Wait! Wait! Bruh! I said wait! I need to do something. Resume game. So, I need to fix that, okay? I need to fix it. Let's go to settings. Video, third person, first person. Now I'm gonna fix it using my creator. Skin editor. My skin editor is like this. So all you need is to delete. Ano? Yes, sir. So we're gonna delete this. And we see actually. Bruh, I am so ugly. I forgot. I need to do like that. And then do it like that. Okay. No! Then do like that. And yeah! And this one too. I forgot. Now turn that. And then we need some. Okay, I forgot. Okay. So you need this. And you see my toe. And like that. And then you need to ano it now next. Yeah! That's so easy. I am now Thanos. But you know challenge Thanos. Save to gallery. Now let's delete the normal. This ugly. We have now do this. Dungulje dungulje ja. Dungulje dungulje ja. Bingle bingle duranga bisu sida. Sutaksin ko na budanya. Mojang. Mojang. Dungulje dungulje ja. Dungulje dungulje ja. Bingle bingle duranga mutual susida. Okay, we are back to Nord. You mean Nord? Bro, why am I Steve now, bro? I do not do like that. I am Thanos. Bachunochu, I'm Legend Thanos. Joke, I'm not a Legend Thanos. Joke. Now choose new skin. Album. Let's choose this. Minecraft. I know how to edit characters now. Yep, actually this one. Now we have Thanos. And then we're gonna play the Minecraft turning on my Wi-Fi. Okay? I'm gonna play Minecraft turning on my Wi-Fi. You can be offline while playing Minecraft, okay? Play. Use for ano? I'm not gonna delete my skin editor, okay? That's my fan, okay? Okay. How did I touch my fan? It doesn't hurt. I only touched the black and not the spinning thing. Ito na tayo. Tropical fish. Ang galing natin gumawa ng Thanos. I support Thanos. My favorite character is Thanos. Now we need to. So I am Thanos. I am so cool. We need to turn on third person front. Video. Third person front. So you see on my hands, that's my skin. I forgot something on my ano. Did I just forgot something? Bro, nah. I'm gonna fix it again. Bruh. I need to fix that. This ugly. I need to delete the hand. Oh, okay, okay. I am ugly, okay? Like that. And now, I know this one. Oh, I am so ugly, guys. I need to create my character again. Skin is saved to gallery. Now delete this. Yes, it's fixed. Now we're gonna do Minecraft again. Minecraft more like Minecart. Joke lang. Dressing room. I mean, change classic skin. And then let's do this. Bruh. I need to go to back. I need to creative mode. I need to first person. And then I need to save and quit. Quit. Okay. Change classic skin. Okay, now I'm gonna. What the heck is that character? I mean character, bro. That is the ultimate betrayal. Albums. To do this. Select the correct one. Okay, this. Yes. I'm good. Now let's go here. Skin saved. I don't know why my name is Thanos because my favorite is Thanos. Choi Sang Hyun. Choi Sang Hyun. Not Choi Subong. Choi Sang Hyun. See the punto. You can make it. What? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm back. Welcome back, my friends. Okay, we need the arrow to shoot this. So where's my arrow? It's my arrow. We need to tanggal this and then put this. So let's go to third person front settings. So video first third person. Nothing is wrong. This is my inside stomach. I mean that's hello. My name is Thanos. I am the best thing I ever saw on YouTube. Look at this. Now my Thanos is fixed. Look at this. Okay, so my hands is right here because he can see the hands. Now it is good. Now I'm just gonna change to video first person. I already know how to play this. Okay, I like a Roblox. Okay, why does so many lamps? You can now go down like a cave diver. Oh, di ba? Ang galing natin mag-cave diver. Wait, look at my hand! It's Squid Game too! What the? Tingle tingle doranggam sida sutakusidan go. So that this one is the pop the balloon challenge. I mean, you need to get a balloon and then you need to make it to fly and then quickly pop it. And that's it. That's the hardest thing. Okay, like that. And then like this, my crossbow. And my fingernail is dugo-dugoing because I don't know. Like that. Okay. There's this. Oh my god! Yes, I did it! You did. Did you see that slide? Yeah, it actually flied, but I got pop it. I mean pop. I pop it. Okay, later. Now I will shoot this ugly slime. There's so many little slime. You know you can get dinner bone to flip the animals, and then you need some jeb with a underscore, and then you need to name it to the sheep to make him rainbow. Let's try it, okay? So you need something. I need some this, and then you need some another, and then you need to get an anvil, and then you need to get a name tag. Name it Jeb, like that. Then name this with dinner bowl. Don't do like this. Instead, do like this, okay? Dinner bowl. We're done. Now, let's make a sheep to make it then upside down. See this? What the? Hey. And then, Jeb, can you make the rainbow sheep? Look at this! Ang galing, guys! Alis ka na dito. Ikaw din, na. Sarap mong kainin. Joke lang. So, we got a Coca-Cola, Dr. Pepper. And then, I don't know, there is my base on a second world. So you see me, Thanos. I'm Thanos. But me, I am Thanos. Thanos will be so good. Look at this. Galing ni Thanos. Thanos. How can I put a torch on the ano? Can I put a torch? Why can I put a torch on the shield? Look at this. I am Thanos. So cool. And by the way, look at my hand. It's Thanos too, okay? His real name is Choi Sung-hyun. Choi Sang-hyun. You can turn turn this light on to shoot this to make a balloon fly, and then you need to pop it with a crossbow, not this bow. Okay. Let's try the ano. Oh, wait. So it's a bow, and then look at this, a bow. Look at a bow. Look at this. Look at my hand. Okay, nah. I don't know what is this. I see so many horse. And then I'll make the shaders later. Tungguye, tungguye. Follow me. Thanos is waving. What Thanos? How did you know my name, okay? Over there, guys. Right here. Thanos is clapping. Thanos is waving. Hey, over there, the slime. Okay. How did you know my name? Thanos. I don't know. Okay, I almost break that. I need to make something, guys. So that we will make. Okay, this is a balloon, okay? Wait. What? Wait, I know this. Bleach. Ice bomb. Ice bomb. Looks like a snow. This compound. Wait. Sodium. What the? What am I saying here? Is this poop? Joke lang. It's a P. Joke lang. We have a key. And then we have something, a balloon here. And then a glowing ano here. And the elixir, antidote, tonic, eye drops. And then this one looks like a food eating. This one, look at this. See? Wow! And then this one. Look at this! Meron akong Lucy. Para sa firework. You do not have to touch the fire. I need to get another one. The orange one. And then you need to get the yellow stick. Look at this! So astig. The real fire. This. You can make it to spin. Like this. Yay! It's my birthday of my life. So that I know. Wait, this. You know what is this? Yeah. So I'm gonna shoot some slime. So we need to get a flame. A flame. Tapos sharpness. then you need to get the ano. You need to get the wind power. Power IV. And then you need to get ano. You will need to get some fire. I forgot. Never mind. I will delete this ugly and this balloon too. You know why there's a music? What the? It's a crafter. What is happening here? It's a book. Okay. Netherite. You need to get some. Ano? I need to get this. Creeper. School. Flower. Sing. I'm just gonna make a Philippines. A Philippines. Let's make a Philippines. But I cannot make the sun and the star. Sorry, you guys. Philippines. Where's my Philippines? I mean, you need to get some dye and then this. Then this. You need to get this. Wow. Wait, I forgot something. I need to get a banner. Like that. Okay. So we have a banner right here. You need to place that. Hey, it's a Japan. Wait. And then you need to do like that. Wait, I need this. Wait, what should I do? And then we need some of this. Wait, is that Philippines? Red. What? Wait, I don't understand, guys. Wait. What should I do? I got Philippines now. Now we have a Bayang Magiliw. Bayang Magiliw. Sorry for no stars. Forgive me, Philippines. Get out. Get out. And then I need to shoot that shit. It doesn't work, bro. This monkey. Okay. If I miss shooting this ugly, I need to stop the record, okay?